everyone, this is Kijiba Vlogs. If you're your actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel agad-agad. Gawa natin yung reaction video ang Barda compilation because why not? So I won't take it longer. Ang dami kong analyzation, ang dami kong nagawang analysis, ang dami kong naobserbahan about Barbie Fortesa's interview. Alam mo, ito din siguro ang dahilan bakit lately walang interview si David eh. Sa totoo lang, isa sa mga dahilan dito bakit hindi nag-interview si David kasi feeling ko in a deeper level na talaga sila. Jeez. Yung tipong tagong-tago na talaga yung kanila kung ano mo. Kasi napaghalataan na talaga sila kung ano man, kung what's going on between the two of them. Sobrang halata na, especially after the showtime. Ang pinakalas nila is the showtime, isn't it? Yun talaga yung tipong alam mo yung basang-basa na talaga sila kung ano meron sila. So, dapat hinay-hinay lang talaga sila for today's video. So, basically, yun na nga, na-explain ko na to kanina when the Barbie Fortesa asked by Tito Boy Abunda kung may naniligaw sa kanya. Pero ang sabi niya, single siya. Pero tinanong siya dito kung may naniligaw sa kanya, the question is just answerable by yes or no, isn't it? Pwede mo yun, madali lang yung sagutin kung may niligaw o hindi kasi hindi naman, pwede nyo naman i-deny yun diba? Pwede nyo i-deny yun na parang walang may naligaw sa akin kasi hindi naman yung ma-hurt yung naliligaw sa kanya kasi meaning to say, kung may naliligaw man sa kanya at parang kung hindi si David or kung wala man siyang gears na nililigaw sa kanya, pwede niya sabihin, no, wala po akong nililigaw, single po ako. And basically, contradicting ang statement. Parang ginudge pa dito si Barbie, no? Very contradicting. Hindi naman, analysis ko lang to. For me, very contradicting yung statement ni Barbie kasi sabi niya, self-love era, but yet nagpapaligaw siya. Nagpapaligaw siya. So basically, natin lang siya dito po, kung may naliligaw sa kanya, tahimik lang siya. And so happened, I just remember right now, when David Licao, who asked by a fans in Hong Kong, or a fan in Hong Kong, tinanong siya kung nililigawan niya ba si Barbie. Is that the question? Non-verbatim, I think that is not the exact question, pero basta yung point doon is kung naniligaw siya kay Barbie. Tapos, ang sagot na lang, ang dami niyang chika. Ang daming chismis ni David doon. Diba? Ang dami yung chinika doon na parang hindi naniligaw and hindi sabihin hindi naniligaw Basta, hindi niya kinonfirm nor deny. Wala siyang sinagot. Kung paano in-answer ni Barbie dito na tahimik lang siya. Ganun na ganun ang vibe ng pagka-answer ni David. So basically, paano mo makukonect after all the videos what we have seen? Madidinay pa ba natin to na parang ang kanilang strategy, the way they ask or the way the people or a person question them in a specific question na pwede nilang sagutin in a very subtle or in a very easy way, hindi nila maibigay. Di ba? Parehas na parehas yung atake nila. Tapos, kung makikita natin sila in front of camera, more than love team ang nakikita natin, the way they act. So, can you blame us? Just bashers. Can you blame us? Basically, you cannot blame me because I know the fact what's going on between the two of them. Kung gusto ko lang magpalaki ng views, sinabi ko na yan. Totoo lang. Kung gusto ko lang magpalaki ng views, kung ano mga fake news nyo, sinasakyan ko na din para malaki yung views ko din. It's not my cup of tea. So basically, watch this. So we'll all watch this. Anyways.
May nanliligaw ba sa'yo?
Diba? Dali-dali ng question at the question is answerable by yes or no.
Let's do fast.
Diba? Diba? The question is just answerable. The question is just answerable by yes or no. Napakadali. Alam mo, ang dami. Naghahabol lang kasi ako ng oras ko ngayon kasi sobrang kulang ang oras ko. Especially kahapon na hindi ako nakagawa ng reaction video. So, ang dami kong dapat gawa na reaction ngayon, hindi lang Barda. May Kimpo ako, nagsistart pa naman yung mga taping ng Kimpo. So, basically, ang daming ganap nila. So, hinahabol ko lang yung oras ko. Pero alam mo, kung papadaldalin nyo lang ako na padadaldalin dito, kayang-kaya ko to Siguro hindi matatapos kahit maka 10 videos pa tayo for today's video. Sa totoo lang. Anyways. Iba yung itsura niya, oh. Diba?
Let's do fast.
Diba? Iba yung itsura niya, diba?
May nanliligaw ba sa'yo?
Diba? Kung ano ang sagot ni Barbie, ganun din. Diba? 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 Cutie talaga ni Barbie. Cutie niya talaga. Softer. Jack. Okay, what's next? Oh, what is this? Ah, ito na. Video. Kailangan na dedado. Hichana. Kamukha niya si Park Han. Daddy, say yes, say yes. Okay. Barbie Fortesa never disappoints, isn't it? Yoshida. Shakira. Okay. Ay, ito yun. Panoorin natin to. Diba? Dito ibang-iba yung sagot ni Barbie. Sa totoo lang. Alis.
Yes, we don't plan those things.
Okay.
Pero maybe now I realize it's not about being ready to be in love or to fall in love again. It's really fully loving yourself first. Kasi feeling ko naman pag nasa tamang posisyon ka na sa buhay, the right person will attract. Parang makaka-attract ka ng tamang tao.
Yung type of friendship mo with David Licauco, how special is it na it makes it different from the rest of your male actors or even yung wala sa showbiz na male friends?
Friendship with David is definitely different kasi sa trabaho namin, ang ginagawa namin, pang-jowa po.
Pang-jowa.
Yeah, so yun pa lang sets him apart from all my other male friends like si Derek, si Christopher, si Alden, yung mga twins ko. Kasi hindi naman kami nasa-sweet-sweetan, diba? So with David, merong conscious effort kasi part ng trabaho namin na maging sweet sa isa't isa, ganyan. So siguro yung level of care, I would say, diba? Kasi yung sa kanya mas parang, I feel like the way he cares for me and the way I care for him is more delicate. Siguro po yung level of care and
Galing niya sumagot.
support, ganyan. Pero bukod po doon, I think David is really good person to be around with and he's really good at advices.
So ano yung advice mo sa'yo? Or pinalo mo ba yung advice niya? Kasi it's a different thing, diba? Madaling
Ask
advice
for
pero
it
yung
and to really do
kung
it.
gagawa ko ba yun?
Don't touch.
Like, may advice mo si David sa'yo, like healing a broken heart, moving on.
Ano ba? Siguro payaman ka muna.
Tayaman ka muna. I love that. I love that. Ang ganda pa ng ang ganda pa ng, what do you call this? Background music.
Advice, ang mga nakukuha ko talaga sa kanya, advice about starting a business.
Starting a business. So, they are in a deeper level of conversation, di ba? Doon pa lang malalaman mo na na they're in a deeper level conversation. Pag alam mo yun, they're talking about businesses na. Kasi ako, masasabi ko talaga sa isang friend ko, we are in a deeper level na. I mean, we are friends, but yung friendship namin, ganun na talaga ka-bond because we're talking about business na. Diba? And talking about business is talking about future. Right?
Mas yun talaga siya.
Diba?
Yung friendship ko lang mali siya at all.
Wala po. But
Talaga ba? I really care. I love that. It shows. Move on. Wait lang. Ano na yun? Diba? Anyways, there goes. That is our for today's video. This is Kiko Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!